Welcome to our video series on prompt engineering. In this video, we will emphasize intuitive understanding of prompts and their impact on large language models. We will explore how prompts tap into the capabilities of these models and elicit different behaviors. Let's delve into the fascinating world of prompt interactions. A prompt acts as a guide for large language models, like ChatGPT, providing initial context and direction for generating responses. It sets the stage for the model's behavior and influences the nature of the output. When we craft prompts, we tap into the vast knowledge and patterns learned by the large language model during its training process. By utilizing this knowledge effectively, we can shape the model's behavior to suit our specific needs. Different prompts can elicit different responses from the model. For example, if we ask ChatGPT, "Tell me a joke," the model will generate a humorous response. However, if we change the prompt to "Explain the concept of gravity," the model will provide an informative response, drawing upon its understanding of the subject matter. This showcases the flexibility of large language models, as their behavior is heavily influenced by the prompt context and the patterns it recognizes within the input text. It's important to note that prompts can sometimes have limitations. They can introduce biases or lead to over-reliance on the training data. Being aware of these nuances is crucial for responsible and effective use of large language models. Crafting prompts requires careful consideration. By providing clear instructions, asking specific questions, or setting the desired context, we can guide large language models to produce more accurate, relevant, and coherent responses. Experimenting with different prompts and refining them based on the model's output can help us better understand how to tap into the model's capabilities and achieve our desired outcomes. Ultimately, the art of prompt engineering lies in our ability to intuitively leverage the patterns and knowledge embedded within large language models. It empowers us to engage in meaningful conversations, seek information, and unleash the potential of these AI systems. As we become more adept at crafting prompts, we can harness the full capabilities of large language models, shaping their behavior to better align with our objectives and needs. In summary, prompts act as the guiding force that taps into the vast knowledge of large language models. By understanding how to effectively craft prompts, we can influence the behavior and responses of these models, opening up a world of possibilities for engaging and insightful interactions. That wraps up our discussion on the intuitive understanding of prompts and their impact on large language models. We hope this video has shed light on the connection between prompts and model behavior. Thank you for watching.